Today is Monday, September 24th. I'm doing a roof inspection on this 3-tab asphalt shingle. All right, got the gutter, the first line of defense of your roof system around your perimeter, and there is no drip edge whatsoever. Plus, oh my gosh, look at this. Look at all these granules that are clogging up your gutter. It's almost filled up to the top. I'm just using my scooper to scoop it up. These granules used to be on your shingles protecting the fiberglass mat. Now it's just blocking the gutters, and water is now getting backed up. And because there's no drip edge underneath the perimeter of your roof system, I can stick my hand right inside your attic space. Right inside there, that's your insulation inside your attic space, right above your living areas. Now water can get up under here from wind driven rain. Squirrels, animals do tremendous amount of damages to your roof system. And we don't want that. All right, I'll get my GoPro back on here. All right, let's do some more climbing on this roof. All right. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. All right. Made it. Now let's see what else we found. That's not the worst of it. Multiple wind-blown shingles on your roof system. Let's take a closer look. Look here. Wind at a high velocity lifts up the shingle tab just like this. And this up and down motion creates this crack. The granules get knocked off. And when the tab goes up and down enough times, it'll completely rip off. Like this one right here. The shingle is completely just ripped off, and it is down in the corner of your gutter resting. Now this is what we call the keystone. This little slot here where 2 shingles come together. In there is your structure. Water could penetrate this area and do tremendous amount of damages inside your attic space. Thousands of dollars in repair costs. And lastly, found multiple hail impacts. Hail at a high velocity impacted your shingle. And what it does, it knocks off about 50% of the granules on impact. And when the granules get knocked off, they get washed down to your gutters, like he showed you earlier. And now the sun, UV rays, is attacking the asphalt, eating it away. And when it eats it away, it exposes the fiberglass of the shingle. And that's really bad. That's when you start getting tremendous amount of damages and the start of major headaches in your attic space. Water could potentially get in to your attic space now, start to water damage sheetrock ceilings, insulation, and it'll just keep going if we don't do anything right now, and it'll just drop right into your bedroom, your bathroom ceilings. It could cost thousands of more dollars in repair costs. I'm gonna come down, show you this video, show you how we could save you thousands of dollars in repair costs. Get you the roof that you deserve and want. Thank you.